Hello guys, my name is Sam, and in today's video I want to show you how to use Laravel Collective in Laravel 5.7 app. So I'm assuming that you have VS Code installed, though you can run this via the command line, but I prefer using VS Code, and I'm assuming you have npm installed and Composer. So what we have to do right here is go to View, open up the integrated terminal right here, and type in composer require Laravel collective /html and the version of the relative collective we need. Go ahead and run it. It will take a minute or so. Can take even up to 2 minutes depending on your internet connection. And when that's done, there are 3 lines of code that you need to add to the app.php file. So go ahead and install and open up config app.php. Scroll down to providers right here and type in this line of code: Laravel collective stroke html stroke html service provider class. Then go ahead and also below the aliases, go ahead and add these 2 lines of code. And when that's done, close this and open up the form. Open up any blade file you have that you can use to try out this. I have this form here right here, so I'm gonna remove this to make sure that this works. Go ahead and type in this code and then run it. And when you run it, let me bring my browser, and when you run it, you can see that it's working. Let's change this to text. And you can see